guys, so this will be a super quick video. I'm going to show you guys real quick how to install the LUTs you just purchased from my website. It's really simple. All you're going to do is once you open up Lightroom here, you're going to go right to where it says presets. It might be like this, so just, you don't even have to do the drop down menu, but you're going to click this little plus sign right here and then click import presets. Now you can either have these unzipped or zipped, either one, but you could just click whichever one you want, or I should say whichever one you just purchased, and go ahead and click the zip file, import. As you can see, it says unable to import presets because it's already imported, they're already here. But once you get those imported in, they'll pop up right here on your left panel and you'll be good to go. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my YouTube. Make sure you hit the little bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a video, whether it be my tutorials or any of my film projects or even some of the production how-tos that I plan on doing. Also, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram, and I'm also on TikTok as well. And I hope to see you guys in the future. Thank you again for purchasing, and peace.